Introducing Baseline by Coates, the newest addition to the Coates family, designed specifically for customers with light-duty or low-volume tire service needs. Baseline by Coates products are built for shops where tire service is important, but not the primary service offered, making these products ideal for small tire shops and general repair shops. The Baseline 200 is the ideal tire changer for low-volume shops looking for a durable, entry-level changer to accommodate the majority of OE fitments. Made for use with steel and alloy wheels, the BL200 features an electric 1 horsepower motor, an air-powered side bead loosener, bead sealing jets to aid with inflation, and clamping capability of up to 21 inches, making it an efficient and cost-effective option for new shops or shops looking to replace old changers. Another key feature is the patented automatic oil injection system, which continuously lubricates the machine during use, extending the life of the changer and eliminating the need for unnecessary preventive maintenance. The BL200 comes standard with a lube applicator, a liquid lube bottle, a bead lift tool, a hose with an air chuck, and an inflation pressure regulator. Complementing the BL200 changer, the Baseline 225 is the ideal tire balancer for low-volume shops that are looking for a durable, entry-level balancer that will accommodate most basic fitments. The BL225 features an integrated LED touch panel display, 8 balancing modes, and a foot pedal brake system to hold the assembly in place while attaching weights. The balancer also incorporates a space-saving design that's ideal for smaller shops with limited room. The BL225 comes standard with the following: a 40mm shaft, wheel calipers for width measurement, a durable hub nut, 3 standard cones, a premium wheel weight hammer, a small pressure cup and rubber lip, and a spring. So what sets Baseline by Coates products apart from the competition? It's pretty simple. First, Baseline by Coates users get access to the Coates factory authorized service network. Although the setup is easy and the equipment is durable and long-lasting, help is just a phone call away should you need us. Additionally, unlike most competitors that offer tire servicing equipment for low-volume and light-duty applications, our products are assembled in America at Coates Manufacturing Facility in Laverne, Tennessee. This means that you can rest assured that your equipment has been checked for quality and accuracy. And last, every Baseline by Coates changer and balancer comes with a 6-month parts warranty, giving customers peace of mind as they learn how to use the new equipment. If your shop doesn't specialize in tire service, but you want the capability to deliver efficient, quality tire service to customers without paying for more equipment than you need, Baseline by Coates is the right choice.